Hello friends, welcome to English Smart Academy. Hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to learn adverbs, the importance of adverbs and various types of adverbs. So don't skip this video because this is very important part of speech. Let's start. First of all, what is an adverb? Adverb describes a verb, adjective or another adverb. It tells how, when, where, to what extent. Examples: she sings beautifully, he arrived early, they worked very hard. So here you can see beautifully, early and very. These words are adverbs. So they are showing the how or when the action is happening. The pronoun is performing the action, how and what extent and where. The importance of adverb. Adverb makes the meaning of a verb clearer. For example, she speaks clearly. Adverb shows how an action happens. For example, he ran quickly. It also adds the detail to a sentence. For example, they worked carefully. Adverbs help to describe time, place, or manner. For example, I'll call you tomorrow. Adverbs make the sentences more expressive. For example, she smiled happily. Adverbs also improve clarity in communication. For example, he answered politely. Adverbs show frequency of actions. For example, she always wakes up early. Adverbs tell the degree or intensity. Adverbs tell the degree or intensity. For example, the room is very cold. Adverbs also explain the reason, time, place in linking clauses. For example, this is the reason why I left. What are mid-position adverbs? Mid-position adverbs are placed in the middle of a sentence, usually after the subject and before the main verb. They often include adverbs of frequency, degree, and manner adverbs. Where do they appear? After the subject, before the main verb, after you can say the linking verbs, before auxiliary verbs or main verb. Examples: after the subject, before the main verb. For example, she always helps me. They usually eat breakfast early. So you can see always and usually these adverbs are used after subject. After the be verb, after linking verbs, he is never late. They were often tired after work. So as I told in my previous video, that was about the verb, that linking verbs describe the appearance, the condition or the state. So here he is never late and they were often tired after work. So after linking verbs, adverbs are used. In between auxiliary and main verb, he is really working hard. They have already left. So here between helping verb and main verb, this really word is used. Similarly, between have and main verb left, the already word, this adverb is used. These were the examples of mid-position adverbs. They usually come in the sentence, in the mid of the sentence. Types of adverbs: adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, frequency, degree. Interactive adverbs, relative adverbs, adverb of reason, adverb of affirmation and negation. Adverb of manner describes how an action is happening or happens. Common words of adverb of manner are slowly, quickly, softly, loudly, carefully, badly, beautifully. Examples: she spoke softly, he runs quickly, they worked carefully. So these words, softly, quickly and carefully, these words are adverb of manner. Most adverb of manner end in ly, but some do not. They are fast, hard, well. Adverb of time tells when an action happens. Common words of adverb of time are today, yesterday, now, then, tomorrow, soon, later, early, already. Examples: he will come tomorrow, I finished the work yesterday. They are leaving now. So tomorrow, yesterday, now, these words are adverb of time. Key point: time adverbs often appear at the beginning or end of a sentence. Adverb of place tells where an action happens. Common words: here, there, outside, inside, upstairs, downstairs, everywhere, nearby, away. Examples: she looked everywhere. The kids are playing outside. He went upstairs. So here you can see everywhere, outside, upstairs. These words are showing the place, and these words are adverb of place. Key point: they show direction or location. Adverb of place usually show direction or location where the action is happening. Adverb of frequency: it shows how often something happens. It shows the frequency of an action. Two types: definite frequency, daily, weekly. Indefinite frequency: always, usually, sometimes, often, rarely, never. Example: I always wake up. She rarely eats junk food. They sometimes go hiking. So here always, rarely, sometimes, these words are adverb of frequency. They are telling how frequently an action is happening. Key point: they commonly appear in mid position before the main verb. So adverb of frequency are usually mid position adverb. Adverb of degree: it tells the intensity of something. Common words are very, to, almost, quite, nearly, extremely, so, enough, completely. Examples: she is very smart. The tea is too hot. He almost finished his work. So here very, to, almost, these words are adverb of degree because they are showing the intensity of an action. Interrogative adverbs: they are used to ask questions. Common words are when, where, why, how. For example, when will you come? Where are you going? How did you do that? Relative adverbs are used to join clauses and they refer to time, place, or reason. Common words are where, when, why. Examples: this is the place where I was born. I remember the day when we met. Tell me the reason why you left. So here where, when, why, these words are relative adverbs. Adverb of reason: they tell us the reason behind an action. Common words are therefore, hence, thus, consequently. Examples: she was sick, therefore she stayed home. It rained heavily, thus the match was cancelled. So here therefore, thus, these words are adverb of reason. Adverb of affirmation and negation: affirmation confirms or asserts something is true. On the other side, negation, it denies or negates something. They are used to show certainty or uncertainty of a statement. The common words of affirmation adverb are yes, surely, certainly, definitely, and the negation words are no, not, never, hardly. The examples are she will surely come. He never lies. I'm not ready yet. So here surely, never, yet, these words are adverb of affirmation and negation. Summary. So what did we learn? That an adverb. So you are to focus on this word adverb. Add means addition, verb means verb. Adverb means a word which is adding or giving detail to the verb. So adverb is adding or modifying verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs by providing details about how, when, where, or what extent an action is happening. There are many types of adverb. For example, manner, time, place, frequency, degree, reason, affirmation or negation, etc. Adverbs make our communication clear and meaningful. It also useful for adding detail in our writing and speaking. So this was all about from my side. Hope you have cleared your point related to adverb, its importance, its various types. If you want to learn more grammatical lesson or other lesson, let me know in the comment box. Subscribe this academy, share this with your friends, like it, and take care of yourselves. See you in the next video.